In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your WordPress version in Hostinger. Whether you're looking to update to the latest features, improve security, or ensure compatibility with plugins, keeping your WordPress version up to date is essential for the smooth performance of your website. Let's walk through the steps to achieve this using Hostinger's hPanel. First, you'll need to log into your Hostinger hPanel account. This is the control panel where you can manage all aspects of your website hosting services. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Websites section. Here, you'll find a list of all the websites you currently manage through your Hostinger account. Now, directly next to your WordPress site, you should see a button labeled Dashboard. Go ahead and click on that. This action will take you to the core management area for your website, where you have the power to make a variety of administrative changes. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the sidebar on the left for the WordPress Overview option. Clicking on this will open up a complete overview of your WordPress site's current status and settings, including the version of WordPress that's currently running. As you scroll through the overview, you should see the WordPress version section. Pay attention here because if an update is available, there will be a button labeled Update. This is the option you need to click next. Keep in mind, it's best practice to back up your site before making updates, even though WordPress updates generally go smoothly. Upon clicking Update, you'll be prompted to choose the version you wish to install. Typically, it's recommended to go with the latest stable version, as this will include the most recent features, improvements, and security patches. Once you've selected your desired version, you just need to confirm the installation. It will take a little moment, depending on the size of your website and the speed of your connection. But once the installation is complete, your website will be operating on the new WordPress version. Ensure you check your website thoroughly post-update to make sure everything is functioning as expected. Sometimes, themes or plugins might need adjustments to be fully compatible with the new version of WordPress. And that's it. You've just successfully changed your WordPress version using Hostinger. Keeping your WordPress version current is a key component in site maintenance, ensuring your site is safe and running optimally. If you enjoyed this guide or found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next